Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about prepositions. So preposition is preposition of place, preposition of time and location. The preposition tells about the sentence and we can easily understand whether the sentence is right or wrong. So let's begin and understand preposition of place with the help of example. The dog is beside the ball. Where is the dog? Besides the ball. The highlighted words are all preposition and these are common preposition. The dog is in the dog house. Where is the dog? In the dog house. Next, the dog is in front of the dog house. Where is the dog? Is in front of the dog house. Next, the dog is behind the dog house. Where is the dog? Is behind the dog house. Next, the dog is between where? Between the dog house and the tree. Alright children? The dog is on the dog house. Where is the dog? Is on the dog house. So with the help of the preposition we can understand the sentence is correct or not. The dog is under the tree. Where is the dog? Under the tree. The butterfly is above the dog. Where is the butterfly? It's above the dog. Above is preposition. Now children, thank you so much for watching this video. What you need to do, watch this video again until you will learn preposition of place. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.